Today I'm going to show you how to install PyTorch in Windows. In Google, you have to type install PyTorch, press enter. You will see this official website. Click on this. Once you come on this official website, you have to scroll down. This is the installation section. These are the requirements that you have to see before you do the installation. First is the PyTorch build. We will use this stable version. Your operating system, we are going to download it for Windows. If you have Mac or Linux, you can select this one. Package, we will be using this pip installer. You can also use this torch or source, but pip is recommended in Python. Language is Python because we are going to use pip. Now this is the main part, compute platform. If you have GPU, you can try these different versions of CUDA. The 12.6 means this is the stable version. 13.0 means this is the newer version, and this 13.2 as well is the newer version. So if you want a stable version, just go with 12.6. Don't try out this, but you can try. You might face some problem or you might not. That's okay. You can even try this one as well if you have GPU. But since I have CPU in my laptop, so I'm going to select this CPU here. If you have a GPU, just go with 12.6 because this is the stable version. Now I've selected this CPU, so I will have to copy this command. If you would have selected this CUDA, you would have got a different command. You can see here. So for CPU, this is the command. Now in the search bar, you have to type cmd and open your command prompt and then press enter. First, you have to right click and then press enter. It has been started. The installation is going on. Let's wait for some time. It may take a few minutes or a couple of minutes because it will also install some dependencies. It has been installed successfully. Now I'm going to close this command prompt. To confirm it, I'll go to this Jupyter notebook and I will do import torch, import torch. This is the first time after the installations. Wait. You can see that it has been imported successfully. That means the PyTorch installation is done. Now you can start playing with your PyTorch library. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.